So over here you can see that I got this oranges layer right here. I got the big apples layer right here that I can move around, and the small apples layer right here. Let's say what I want to do is I want to go around and make sure that I lock this particular oranges layer so that I accidentally don't move it. In that case, you can go around, select out the layer right here, and then click on the lock icon right here, and the orange layer gets locked. And as I click, you can see that actually the background moves right here. Similarly, let's say I want to lock the background as well, and it doesn't move right here. But the big apples and the small apples right here are actually movable right here, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is what you have, as you can see. So I guess like this is plums right here. So let's just go around and then rename out to plums right here, just like this. And then this is what you have, as you can see. So apart from that, let's say for example, I want to hide the big apples and the plums right here. In that case, I don't want to delete out the layers, but just want to hide it, but want to bring it back whenever I need it again. In that case, I can simply go around and click on the eye icon right here, and the layers gets hidden. So if I were to click on the big apples, then you can see that I get the apples back right here. But if I were to go around and click on the eye icon right here, then you can see that I get it back right there, just like that. And that is how you can go around and lock and hide out the layers inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.